Hello everyone! Today we're using bitter melon and an onion to make a delicious dish. Many people have never seen this, let alone tasted it. It's crisp, refreshing, and incredibly appetizing. First, prepare 2 fresh bitter melons. Cut off both ends, then slice them lengthwise to open. Use a spoon to scrape out the seeds and pith inside. The pith is very bitter, so be sure to remove it thoroughly. There is also a thin white membrane. If you're afraid of bitterness, scrape off as much as you can. Scraping it like this is enough. Then slice the bitter melon into thin pieces so it absorbs flavor more easily. In summer, we should eat more bitter melon. It clears heat, reduces summer fatigue, and is rich in minerals and vitamins. Eating more of it is very beneficial for your health. Place the sliced bitter melon in a bowl. Add 1 spoon of salt, then pour in enough water to cover it. Mix with your hands and soak it in light salt water for 10 minutes. This helps remove pesticide residue and dust from the surface. Set aside. Prepare a small handful of dried wood ear mushrooms. Put them in a bowl, add 1 spoon of sugar and 1 spoon of flour, then pour in warm water around 40 degrees Celsius. Sugar helps them rehydrate faster, and flour absorbs impurities and dirt. Mix well and set aside. Prepare 1 onion. Cut it in half, then slice it into thin strips. Cut as finely as possible for better texture. Loosen the slices and set aside on a plate. Prepare a few small chili peppers and slice them into rings. Set aside. Prepare a few cloves of garlic, slice them thinly, then mince into fine garlic. Prepare a few scallions and chop them into small pieces. Combine the scallions, chili rings, and garlic together, then add a spoon of white sesame seeds. Pour hot oil over them to release their aroma. Add 3 spoons of light soy sauce, 3 spoons of aromatic vinegar, 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of chicken bouillon, and a little sesame oil. Mix thoroughly until the sauce is fully blended. Set aside. Once the bitter melon has finished soaking, wash it again briefly, then drain and place on a plate. The wood ear mushrooms should now be fully rehydrated. Wash them thoroughly with your hands. After the first rinse, wash several more times until the water is clear. Then drain and set aside in a bowl. Boil water in a pot. Add 1 spoon of salt and 1 spoon of cooking oil, then add the bitter melon to blanch it. Adding salt and oil keeps the color bright green and reduces some of the bitterness. After blanching, remove the bitter melon and spread it out with chopsticks to help it cool. Bring the water to a boil again and blanch the wood ears for about 2 minutes. Wood ear takes longer to cook, so give it enough time. After cooking, drain and rinse with cold water to make them crisp. Drain again. Add the wood ears to the bitter melon. Then add the onion strips. Pour the prepared sauce over everything. Mix thoroughly with your hands, ensuring every ingredient is coated with the dressing. Mix a bit longer so everything absorbs the flavors well. Dear friends, if you've watched this far and my video has helped you, please use your lucky little hands to give me a like. Thank you so much. After mixing well, transfer it to a plate and enjoy. A delicious plate of onion and bitter melon salad is done. When it's hot and you have no appetite, this refreshing little dish is perfect. It's appetizing, satisfying, great with rice or as a drinking side dish, and extremely easy to make. If you like it, save it and give it a try. That's all for today's video. See you next time.